Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Cub 125. This one's got the ABS. They actually call it the Super Cub. Best-selling motorcycle in the history of the world. Over 1 billion sold. It's some crazy number. Only 107 miles on this showroom condition 2020 Super Cub. Come on by. It's got a semi-automatic transmission, just kicking into gear, but there's no clutch to worry about. Fuel injected. Bring back those dreams of retro years for just $35.99. We have finance. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.